So in this video I'm gonna do a Bluehost WordPress tutorial 2020 for beginners, guys. So before I begin, guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I do a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. Click the subscribe button right now. And if you're watching this towards December, then Happy New Year. It's almost December and I'm really excited. So guys, let's begin. So currently Bluehost is one of the best web hosting. If you go to wordpress.org, so this is the official website of WordPress. Click on hosting. The number one is Bluehost, and if you do the survey as well, you can select Bluehost. I've tried it myself, and guess what, guys, I have a 70% discount especially for you guys. So you could just click the link down below and just get your 70% discount. As you could see, just click on get started, and I would always select the recommended, and the reason for that is they have unlimited websites and they give you a free domain for the first year. So I really love it. Select this, put in your credit card details. So I'll just show it to you. Put in your domain. So I've already purchased a domain just for you guys. I'm putting a demo domain, and then fill in your information. And if you're feeling lazy, you could use this, and then I would always select 12 months, because in the beginning you need to try it out. It comes up to $100 or something like this. So it comes up to 137 or maybe a little less if I get more discount on the link. Put in your credit card information. Once this is done, go back to Bluehost again. They would send you your login details on your email ID. So I'll just click on login, and once you click on login, now it's getting automatically login. I think so because my username and password is saved in this computer. So this is my dashboard, guys. The best thing about it is, see, the one which I told you, I can create unlimited websites, and creating website is also easy. If I type demo, okay, you can demo one. Okay, I can just click next, demo 1 2 3 4, and select next. So within 3 seconds you will be able to download, you would be able to install WordPress. So 1 2, and here you go, 3. So it's taking, yeah, so as you can see, within 3 seconds you have installed WordPress. So you could create a lot of WordPress websites, and trust me, a lot. I know someone who, one of my students, he has more than 50 websites and they are earning passive money through blogging. So that's what he told me. Bluehost for him as well is really good. Even for me, I've tried page speed test. Bluehost comes really good. And on top of that, if you have any questions, you can just go back, ask the help desk. They are always available. You can go and chat with them, 24/7 support. So as you could see, if you have any questions, they're always available. Okay, you can call them, you can chat with them, and they have a Bluehost dashboard as well. So if you see over here, so they provide you free, like they provide you services like SEO or any, like, you know, ads. They can help you with everything. They charge you a certain amount of money, but they would help you for sure, because I tried Bluehost SEO tools as well, and trust me, they really are really good for that $6. Look at this, 20 keywords. They give you the report so you could see the progress. And for me, this is the Bluehost dashboard. Really good, guys. Try it out, and it's a 30-day money back guarantee and 70% discount. The link is in the description. Go and try it out and let me know. And also, guys, just for you guys, I've created a free course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. The link is down below. Go and check it out, okay? And I hope to see you in the next video, and Happy New Year if you're watching around December. Take care and see you in the next video. And don't forget to, guys, don't forget to subscribe, okay? If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe.